Hello, Dr. Eva Fisher here, answering your questions about body dysmorphic disorder. One question that also comes up very frequently in my support groups that I facilitate is, will plastic surgery help me to feel better about my appearance? And that's a really common misconception. I had a rhinoplasty, also considered plastic surgery on my nose, when I was 18 years old because I thought it was so fat and ugly. I didn't even want to consider having children because I didn't want to pass on what I thought was this horrible defect to my children. And I had a rhinoplasty and I felt worse about my appearance. My mother, who paid for my nose surgery, actually liked the way I looked, but I really didn't like the shape of my nose. I just didn't think it was not successful in my eyes, but I never told my mom that I didn't like it. She was always very satisfied with it. And I think the only good thing that came of that experience of having plastic surgery on my nose was that I started to get some level of insight that something else might be going on other than my nose. And what I mean by that is considering the fact that my mom really liked the way my nose looked after the surgery, and I really did not. I was like, okay, maybe, just maybe, other people are not seeing me the way I see myself. And that is such a monumental realization for people with BDD to have. And that is that the way you see yourself when you look in the mirror or in other reflective surfaces or cameras or videos is not the way other people are perceiving you. You may believe that you are ugly or that you have these massive appearance flaws, but when you go to ask other people, they will tell you, oh no, you look fine, you look good, you look normal, and you don't believe it. But that is the probably the only thing that I can say that was good about my plastic surgery on my nose was that I started to question my beliefs and what I saw in the mirror. And that enabled me to eventually diagnose myself with BDD and then to recover from the disorder. Dr. Eva Fisher here, answering your questions about body dysmorphic disorder.